first you're going to make a slip knot. Now you're going to chain up 3, and you're going to slip stitch into the first chain, creating a circle. Now you're going to chain 2, and you're going to work 12 DC into that circle. Your chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Slip stitch into your chain 2, chain 2, and in your first DC you're going to do a butterfly puff. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to insert in that same stitch, you're going to draw up a loop, so you're going to have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch, and draw up a loop 4 times. So you'll have 11 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 11 loops. Chain 2, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch and draw up a loop. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch and draw up a loop 4 times. 11 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 11 loops. In your next DC, you're going to work 2 DC. Then in your next DC, you're going to work another butterfly puff stitch. Going to work 2 DC in the next DC and a butterfly puff in the next stitch, 2 DC in the next stitch, and you're going to do that all the way around. Join with the slip stitch to your chain 2 and chain up 2. Now you're going to work a butterfly puff into the chain 2 space of your butterfly puff. So close your butterfly puff and you're going to work 2 DCs in each of the next 2 DC. So you'll have a total of 4 DC. Then work another butterfly puff in the chain 2 space of your butterfly puff. you're going to repeat those 2 steps all the way around. Now you should have a total of 24 DC. Slip stitch to your chain 2, chain 2, and work a butterfly puff in the chain 2 space of your first butterfly puff. Now you're going to work 1 DC in each of the next 4 DC. Now work a butterfly puff in the chain 2 space of the butterfly puff. Work 1 DC in each of the next 4 DCs. And just repeat this all the way around. Join with a slip stitch. Work a butterfly puff in the chain 2 space of the first butterfly puff. Work 1 DC in each of the next 4 DCs. Continue this all the way around and then do an additional 6 more rows of this. Now you should have a total of 11 rows altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am actually going to fasten off because I knew I was going to run out of yarn, and I'm going to attach another color. So you can do the same, or you can just continue using the same color. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make a butterfly puff into the chain 2 space of the first butterfly puff. I'm going to work 3 DC into each of the next 4 DCs. So you'll have a total of 12 DCs in that spot before your next butterfly puff stitch. another butterfly puff into the chain 2 space of the next butterfly puff stitch. I'm going to work another 3 DCs into each of the next 4 DCs, and I'm going to be doing this all the way around. Should have a total of 72 DCs. And now I'm going to slip stitch to the chain 2, and work a butterfly puff into the first butterfly puff chain 2 space. Now I'm going to work 1 DC into each of the next 12 DCs. Just going to repeat this all the way around. Okay, now I'm just going to join with a slip stitch to the chain 2, work a butterfly puff into the chain 2 space of the first butterfly puff. Work 1 DC into each of the next 12 DCs. Okay, now I'm going to repeat this all the way around, and I'm going to make 1 more row of the same thing. To slip stitch to your chain 2 space, and you're going to fasten off, and you should have a total of 15 rows so far from the top. So counting down from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now I'm going to attach another color. going to work 2 single crochet into the chain 2 space of the butterfly puff, and then work 1 single crochet in each of the next 12 DCs. To work 2 single crochet into the butterfly puff chain 2 space and work 1 single crochet into each of the next 12 DCs, and you're going to do this all the way around till you get to the end. Okay, you're going to secure it with a slip stitch and fasten off, and then weave in all your ends, and are done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all your boho bucket hats. Make sure to follow, comment, like, and share.